Although initially in Arabic scripts known as the Tulisan Jawi to Malay native speakers, the Malaysian language or Bahasa Malaysia is written using the Latin alphabets. Hence, it contains the alphabets from A to Z. This video will be about knowing and understanding how vowels are applied in Bahasa Malaysia. Although easy, pronouncing vowels correctly is crucial for effective communication. Let's play. Vowels here includes the alphabet A, E, I, O, and U. Bahasa Malaysia has a relatively simple vowel system. Except for alphabet E, each vowel represents only one sound such as O, E, U, A. Got it? Good. Let's start with the vowel A. A represents the sound A. A represents the sound A. Try again. A for A. As mentioning up, forget the P and pronounce A. Now, let's add A to a non-vowel. Let's say N. N and A. N A is pronounced as na. N A pronounced as na. So if we combine, let's say M and A, M A ma. N A na, M A ma. Good. Let's play around with these two, N A and M A. So N A is very good, na. M A is ma. Now we combine this na ma, which is nama if we pronounce it in one word. N A na, M A ma, nama. See, nama means name in English. Magic, easy peasy. So you hear the sound nama when you are in Malaysia, it means name. You read it as nama, write it as N-A-M-A, and yes, pronounced as nama, means name. Didn't I stress earlier that Bahasa Malaysia is easy? Okay, so if S with an A, S-A is pronounced as sa, correct. S-A, sa. And obviously, if Y comes with an A, Y-A, correct. Ya. Y-A, ya. Now, S-A combined with Y-A, it's saya. S-A, sa. Y-A, ya. Saya. Saya simply means me, my, or I in English, depending on the sentence. So, saya means me, my, I. Now, the first we learned was N-A, na, M-A, ma, nama, means name. Then, there was S-A, sa, Y-A, ya, saya, means me, my, or I. So simply if you mention nama saya will mean my name, not nama. Nama saya means my name. On how to arrange these letters will be discussed later on the coming parts. As of now, let's concentrate on the vowels first. Relax. A represents the sound A. Again, A for, very good, A. We'll talk about E later. Let's now go to the vowel I. I represents the sound E. I represents the sound E. So, the combination of a letter T and I simply brings the sound T. Combination of T, I, T. The vowel O represents the sound O. Similar to the O in the English word all or so. So let's try. B-O, bo. L-A, la. B-O, bo. L-A, la. Bola. In short, bola means ball in English. Then we go for the vowel U. It represents the sound U. It goes like this. S-U, su. S-U, su. K-A, ka. Again, S-U, su. K-A, Ka. We combine this together. S-U-K-A. Ka. Suka. Suka in English means like. Like in the sense is as you like someone. You like this. I like you. Let's try playing a little with what has been known so far. You want to say, I like my name. Take a moment. Think about it. Let's try. S-A-Y-A. Saya means I. S-U-K-A. Suka means like. Then earlier, my name mentioned as nama saya. Remember? So, saya suka nama saya means I like my name. Saya suka nama saya. I like my name. You see, within a short moment, you can already make a sentence. Perfect. Let's do a recap before going to the vowel E. The vowel A represents the sound good. A. 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 The vowel I represents the sound E. Then the vowel O, correct? O. O. And U represents U. Yes. U. U. Correct. So far, so good. I did mention earlier that all vowels except E represents only one sound. E represents two sounds in Bahasa Malaysia, which sounds like the word early, and the other which brings the sound A, as pronouncing the alphabet A itself. So it's either it sounds or A. Which sound to be used depends on the word or sentence. Example. Car is spelled as K-E-R-E-T-A in Bahasa Malaysia, and it's pronounced as kereta. So it's K-E ke, R-E re, and T-A ta. Kereta. This is where practice while exploring will solve this predicament. Let's recap these 5 vowels this one time. A represents the sound A. A for A. Only E represents two sounds which are, remember, and A. E for E, and E, A. E, A. So E gives the sound or A. Or A. The vowel I carries the sound E. I carries the sound E. The vowel O brings the sound O. And lastly, U represents the sound U. U, U. Again, U. Now, try on your own. A for A. Good. E for, remember those two sounds? E for good. E for E for A. Very good. I for correct. O. And the last one, U for very good. Now, practice this for a bit. Don't rush through. Be as comfortable as you can. Practice your a, us, is, os, and us. Go slow. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more Bahasa Malaysia language learning. I will share a step-by-step usage of consonants in Bahasa Malaysia unless if there is a request to emphasize on vowels further. If you have questions on this topic, do leave your comments and I will work on that. Until then, jumpa lagi!